You getting the sneeze, Coco? Charlie, excuse me. You getting it? Coco has it. You gonna get it? Let me see your sneeze. I missed it. You gonna sneeze again? No? Not this time? So officially, I just saw this guy sneeze. Officially, everybody in the house, all 12 cats, have the sneeze. It's an upper respiratory something. And looks like the people downstairs already gone through the worst and they're coming back around and eating. These guys are in the beginning of that stage. So I'm guessing 7 days to 14 days. So just keep them hydrated. We feed them if we have to with a syringe, but they're all gonna be okay. Right, Coco? Hang in there, buddy. I love you.